The kneeling, alternating, rocking cable lat pull down with dual hook straight bar is a variation of the traditional lat pull down that isolates and allows a deeper contraction on each lat independently. This is a better way to isolate each side rather than only pulling with one arm while the other arm remains extended. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach a dual hook straight bar to both sides of the high pulley of a cable machine. Kneel facing the machine, keeping your knees shoulder width apart for stability. Grasp the bar with a shoulder width grip and maintain a straight posture with your arms extended overhead. Tighten your core by pulling your belly button towards your core. Before pulling the bar, engage your lats, then pull the bar down as you would in a traditional pull down. However, once the bar is around forehead height, drive one elbow down and back behind your body while slightly tilting toward that side to create more emphasis on the lat. Keep your opposite arm bent, focusing on a strong contraction in your lats. Squeeze at the bottom, then with control, return to the starting position, fully extending your arms and allowing your lats to stretch. Switch to the opposite arm and repeat. Continue alternating sides for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.